Welcome. In this video, we will cover how to install and use ProcessViz with Flowmeter data logs, service files, and historian files. For additional support, please call Emerson Flow Support at 1-800-522-6277. At Emerson, one of our core values is safety. Therefore, please ensure that you are working in a safe area, you have obtained all the required authorizations, and that you are following all the applicable site procedures and codes. MicroMotion ProcessViz is a standalone software solution that takes Emerson's MicroMotion 5700, 4700, 1600, or 4200 transmitter raw historian data and places it into an easy-to-use graphical format offering a snapshot of the flow process. This software is a data visualization tool that eliminates the need for technicians to manipulate their data, thereby saving time. It can be used with transmitter data logs, service files, and historian files. The ProcessViz software is available for free at emerson.com. Features include instant visualization of raw process data, putting the power and ability to identify and resolve process issues in the hands of the client, access to clear, concise data portrayal using an intuitive interface, highlights process control opportunities with an online process variable trending tool, and allows simultaneous view of process data from more than one meter. If ProcessViz has not been downloaded and installed, follow these steps. Access the link shown on the screen. Click Download Software. Navigate to your Downloads folder. Right-click the .zip folder that was downloaded and click Extract All. Within the extracted folder, right-click Setup ProcessViz and select Run as Administrator. Follow the prompts to complete software installation. Note: administrator permissions are required to run as admin. ProcessViz can be used with transmitter data logs, service files, and historian files. To plot files, either drag and drop the data files into ProcessViz or click Browse and select the file to upload. Using the slide bar above the graph, you can adjust the viewing window by moving the cursors. To zoom, select a certain area of the graph for greater resolution. To go back, adjust the viewing window on the slide bar. To specify the viewing window, select Options and Range. Choose the desired range you would like to look at. To personalize view by adding fields or trends, click Add Fields. To see the timestamp where an alert occurred, select an alert from the right and the cursor will move on the graph. Select a configuration change from the right to show that the cursor will snap to the timestamp where the change occurred on the graph. To add notes, left-click the note icon and place it in the desired location on the chart surface. Saving a ProcessViz file is done by selecting Save, title the trend, and save in the desired location. Note: data files must be saved on your computer to plot in ProcessViz. They cannot be dragged and dropped from an email attachment. This concludes the how-to video on how to install and use ProcessViz software with Flowmeter data files. For additional information on ProcessViz, visit emerson.com, and for troubleshooting support, contact Flow Support at 1-800-522-6277.